Hi, I'm Sophia Saboro from Pollinator Partnership, and welcome back to our Working for Wildlife video series. In this episode, we'll talk about tree and shrub establishment, how to implement this practice on your land, and the potential cost share and technical support available to help you meet your goals. This practice involves the installation of tree and shrub species to provide plant diversity, structure, and composition needed to enhance habitat and forage for wildlife species. Tree and shrub plantings are often completed via bare root seedlings, which allows for faster and more successful establishment, bypasses seed predation by wildlife, and reduces erosion concerns. Trees and shrubs are a common sight on many working lands and are often located along property lines, roads, streams, and drainage ditches, as well as adjacent to agricultural fields and pastures to act as a windbreak and assist with erosion control. The establishment of tree and shrub plantings have multiple benefits for wildlife and farmers. Planting native trees and shrubs creates habitat including food, shelter, and nesting sites for all species of wildlife. Pollinators especially benefit from this practice because numerous species of native trees and shrubs provide early season forage for emerging bees and can act as larval host plants for a variety of butterflies and moths. In addition to increasing food and cover for wildlife, planting populations of trees and shrubs can sequester large amounts of carbon, improve forest health, and practices such as hedgerows can increase natural pest control and pollination services in cropping areas. Implementing this practice may benefit farmers and landowners by leading to more profitable and sustainable timber harvests, or providing additional income by growing native fruit or nut-bearing trees and shrubs. Also, if the landowner is interested in hunting or earning rental income from hunters, forested land provides essential wildlife habitat, leading to an increase in hunting opportunities. There are other benefits for farmers and landowners that are not interested in timber harvests or hunting. Tree and shrub plantings work to filter nutrients and sediment from runoff, serve as natural fence rows, enhance privacy, reduce water temperatures, and stabilize stream banks. Windbreaks and other types of tree and shrub plantings can also benefit livestock by providing shade and reducing animal stress, which can result in healthier, more resilient herds. There are several programs available to help qualifying landowners and producers plan and fund tree and shrub plantings. Federal Farm Bill programs such as the Environmental Quality Incentives Program, Conservation Stewardship Program, and the Conservation Reserve Program can provide assistance to implement tree and shrub plantings. For a more in-depth look at these three programs, check out the first three videos in our series where we go over what these programs are and how they might be utilized on your land. In addition to these Farm Bill opportunities, programs through the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, state wildlife agencies, and local county soil and water conservation districts may be able to provide cost share and technical support to landowners. Your regional P2 partner biologist and NRCS staff will be able to help find programs that work best for you. Thank you for joining us for this installment of P2's Working for Wildlife series. This video was made by Pollinator Partnership with assistance from the Natural Resources Conservation Service. This series is made possible through support from the National Fish and Wildlife Foundation and Natural Resources Conservation Service. An additional thank you to our partners at Sycamore Land Trust for their video contributions to this series. If you'd like to learn more about the on-farm benefits of pollinator habitat and how to support pollinators on your land, please visit us at pollinator.org. To learn more about Farm Bill technical and financial assistance opportunities, contact one of P2's partner biologists at pollinator.org/NRCS Regional Partner Biologists or visit farmers.gov. All links can be found in the description box below. Subscribe to the Working for Wildlife email list to receive news about upcoming events and ensure you never miss a new video.